Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the North Bengaluru's most promising township residential development, Ebony at Brigade Orchards, located in the rapidly growing Devanahalli corridor. In this video, we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with the project overview. Ebony at Brigade Orchards is a premium residential development by Brigade Group, located within the award-winning Brigade Orchards Integrated Township, and this project is spread across approximately 3.2 acres within a massive 135-acre township. The project consists of 4 residential towers with a ground plus 8 floors and just 232 exclusive apartments, creating a comfortable and well-planned residential environment. And what makes this project unique is that it is part of a fully integrated township that brings together residential spaces, educational institutions, healthcare facilities, retail outlets, commercial zones, and recreational amenities within a single master planned community. This allows residents to enjoy a complete lifestyle ecosystem where most daily needs are just a short walk away. One of the biggest advantages of Ebony at Brigade Orchards is its location in Devanahalli, one of the Bangalore's fastest growing real estate destination. The project enjoys excellent connectivity to major infrastructure development and employment hubs. STRR, or the Satellite Town Ring Road, is approximately 5 minutes away, while Kempagoda International Airport can be reached in about 10 minutes. KIADB Aerospace Park is around 20 minutes away, while Hebbal and Budigiri Cross are both 30 minutes from the project. With ongoing infrastructure upgrades and airport-led growth, Devanahalli continues to attract significant attention from both home buyers and investors looking for long-term value appreciation. And when it comes to a lifestyle amenities, Ebony at Brigade Orchards offers residents access to world-class facilities designed to promote wellness, recreation, and community living. Residents can enjoy an impressive 85,000 square foot signature club resort, a swimming pool, a fully equipped gym, indoor sports facilities, outdoor sport court. The Laurel Tower is dedicated to senior living residences. Here, the 1 BHK home offer approximately 900 square feet of space and start from around 99 lakh rupees onwards. Larger 1 BHK premium residences offer approximately 1,200 square feet and start from around 1.32 crore rupees onwards. 2 BHK residences range from approximately 1,300 to 1,500 square feet, with the prices starting from around 1.43 crore rupees onwards. The Maple Tower features multi-generational apartments designed for families of different sizes. The 1 BHK residences range between approximately 750 to 950 square feet and start from around 78 lakh rupees onwards. The 2 BHK residences offer approximately 1,200 to 1,250 square feet and start from around 1.26 crore rupees onwards. The spacious 3 BHK residences range from approximately 1,500 to 1,650 square feet and start from around 1.57 crore rupees onwards. All residences are designed with a spacious layout, large windows, abundant natural light, excellent ventilation, premium specification, and modern architecture that enhances everyday living. From an investment perspective, Ebony at Brigade Orchards benefits from being located in one of India's most promising airport-driven growth corridor. For buyers looking to invest early, the project offers attractive pricing benefits, flexible payment plans, exclusive launch offer, home loan assistance from leading banks, and priority unit selection. During your site visit, you will get the complete project presentation, a township master plan walkthrough, configuration comparison and amenities tour, detailed pricing discussion, and the insights into the future growth potential of the location. So if you are looking for a spacious residences, township living, world-class amenities, excellent connectivity, and a strong long-term appreciation potential, then Ebony at Brigade Orchards is definitely a project worth considering. For brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.